How to add payment method on Temu. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. You will land to the home page. Now head towards any of the product that you want to purchase. Select the item and add the item to the cart. Once you are done adding the items to the cart, click on this cart option. Over here, you're going to find all the items that you have added to the cart. Now click on checkout. You will land to the order confirmation page. First, select your shipping address. Scroll down. You will find this section of payment method. From here, you can select a payment method. You can use Apple Pay card, PayPal, and so on. All you have to do is check in and then scroll down. You can select the shipping method. Likewise, if you have coupon, you can apply it. Check your payment details and then click on submit order. Now provide your payment details, card number, expiration date, and CVV. Once you fill this, click on submit order. With that, you will be good to go. So this is how you can easily add payment method on Temu account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.